Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Exotel with Zoho Desk. This integration is incredibly useful as it allows you to manage your customer calls directly within your help desk platform, making communication more streamlined and efficient. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to Zoho Desk and log in to your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. From here, locate the Setup option, which is represented by a gear icon. You'll find this icon in the top navigation menu. Click on it to access the settings and configuration options for your Zoho Desk account. This is where you'll manage all the integrations and customizations for your workspace. After clicking on the gear icon, look for the Integrations section in the Settings menu. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Marketplace. Click on it to proceed. The marketplace is essentially a hub where you can browse and add various third-party apps and software that enhance the functionality of your Zoho Desk. It's designed to help you expand your help desk capabilities by connecting with external tools. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the apps and third-party software available for integration with Zoho Desk. At the top of this page, locate the search bar. Type in Exotel into the search field. This will filter the results and show you apps related to Exotel. From the search results, look for the app specifically named Exotel for Zoho and click on it. This will take you to the detailed overview page for the Exotel integration. On the Exotel overview page, take a moment to read through the key features of the app. This will give you a clear understanding of what the integration offers and how it can benefit your workflow. Additionally, check the compatible version information to ensure that the app is compatible with your current Zoho Desk setup. This step is important to avoid any compatibility issues down the line. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, simply click on the Install button. The integration process will now begin, and this might take a few moments depending on your connection and system speed. Once the installation is complete, Exotel will be successfully added to your Zoho Desk account, and you'll be able to start managing your customer calls directly from within the platform. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Exotel with Zoho Desk, allowing you to handle customer interactions more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.